Dr. Stunderjet.
Hello, boys and girls in HOSK, Slatka und Trendsetland. Welcome to another exciting edition of Dr. Stunderjet. Das ist mich. Today we have a special layout with some trick track. These are the wide track, and so what we did was we stuck them together. The bridge track comes in from the bottom. Then you have a bridge track over here. We have a 9-inch turn, 9-inch turn, 9-inch turn und 9-inch turn. This is a 6-inch turn und das is a 6-inch turn, yeah? Then we have some other sizes. Here's a 5-inch, 5, and a 6-inch, which is 11 inches from here to here. Makes it all perfectly around. So, also, once again, as we pointed out, the size and the length and the duration is the same. So you come around and then you go slow and then you come around and go fast to get back up get it back up the ramp, no problem. I will get the cars in a minute. It happens from time to time, boys and girls, no problem. So you're coming up from the bottom, you go around, slow down, and you go through the wide track like a highway, yeah? You can see how it goes. It's very exciting. You can't get exactly fast with this kind of track, but you can do it if you put more tracks on it. This is a simple track. It's approximately 4 feet long if you go diagonal, yeah? If there's any question, if you are interested in learning about other tracks or how to buy them, we have a lot of episodes to cover. All the different kinds of track you can do. The next episode, we're going to focus on some crisscross track. We did one video, I think, with the crisscross track. I will show you. So, happy motoring, all you boys and girls in HOSK, Slatka und Trendsetland. Have a great day, everyone. Be safe in everything you do, and we'll see you next time on another exciting edition of Dr. Stunderjet, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Dr. Stunderjet.